Grandma and Grandpa, I love you, I love you, I love you. Grandma and Grandpa, I love you, you're so special to me. You tell me stories, hold my hand, hold my hand, hold my hand. With all your love, you understand, you're so special to me. We bake, we play, and laugh all day, laugh all day, laugh all day. Grandma and Grandpa, you're my way to smiles and memories. You teach me lessons, make me strong, make me strong, make me strong. With hugs and love, where I belong, you're so special to me. I'll always love you, yes, I do, yes, I do, yes, I do. Grandma and Grandpa, I love you, you're my family.